Hello and welcome back to my channel. So this video is mainly about the last month INI plan using CodeBTR. This is the schedule that I will be following and my approach will be as ma'am has mentioned here, and I will definitely do one thing specifically more seriously, and that's active recall for sure. My notes are going to be the same, the ones that I've annotated, and add the extra slides wherever possible. I watched the surgery video. There is not much of a difference, only extra stuff has been added. So I think it's a great thing, and it will definitely help. So do watch the video. I would definitely advise that because it won't harm in any ways. It will just help you. So yeah, this is how my day would look like. We'll watch the video, do the active recall, and solve the questions. What all you can expect on my pages are daily to dos, custom module codes, any important high yield topics, and stuff like that. About the strategy, won't be posting the same thing again. So, all this will mainly be on my WhatsApp channel. So, do join that. These are literally the best bookmarks, and this is how in just 1 month you can make a choti copy here. So, yeah. I know you guys have been having doubts about if to use Core BTR, if to rewatch the videos, and what to do, what not to do. But instead of being so focused on all these stuff, I think take a day, watch one video, like for example, surgery starting from tomorrow. Take up that subject, watch it as ma'am has said, like watch the video twice, once at 1.25x and again at 1.5x. The second time add everything. Ma'am has explained better, so watch that video. And about surgery, like it's 9 hours long, so divide it into 4.5 and 4.5. On day 1, watch the 4.5 hours video. Active recall, do the questions, repeat the same on the second day, and on the third day re-revise everything, do any extra stuff left, all of that. And remember to do it very seriously. Like, don't listen to any extra stuff, don't get into FOMO, don't talk to anybody about it, don't ask for opinions. Try it out for yourself. You gotta aim high, always in life. So yeah, focus on theory, focus on revisions, focus on questions, and you got this. Stop doubting. You've doubted yourself, your preparation, and everything a lot. It's high time that you really stop that. So take one day at a time, take one subject at a time, analyze for yourself, and remember you don't have much time to waste. So just study, and that's all. So, all the very best. Everybody, you got this. If you have any problem, I'm here to help. You can message me on Instagram, you can comment here. All the very best. And this is how the app and everything works. So I've posted the PDF on my Telegram channel, so you can check it there. I will provide the links in my description below. I hope everything just works out the way it should be and in a good way. So all the very best, and let's focus more on what's important and less on what's not. So all the very best. Bye. See you in my next video.